Welcome to Trading Lounge for the SP 500 for the 5th of June, and starting on the daily chart here, we've been looking from wave 3 here back to wave 4 to our target area is around the 2750 area, 2730, and we've got ourselves an A and a B and a C wave here now. We've completed our 5 waves in the C wave, so we should be moving up from this point here. Let's go in and have a look at this little structure. The 2800 is going to be a line in the sand, and we can expect some type of correction across that. So let's go in and have a look at that. If this low here gets taken out for any reason, then because we'd been counting 5 waves down here, as I mentioned, we could, if this low gets taken out, we'd need to turn bearish at that point. And there's plenty of Elliott Wave counts out there that are bearish, but like I mentioned before, is that we need to go step by step and stay with the logic and not emotion, and we need to count 5 waves from here to here, which we've done. And if this low gets taken out, well, then that's the evidence that we will be moving further down. But otherwise, we'll be looking for an impulse wave to the upside, which will create another one. So let's go in and have a look at that. So on the 4-hour chart from the wave 3 here, we'd been looking down for the A wave, the B wave, and then counting 5 waves down. So 1 and 2 in here, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the 3rd wave, back for the 4th, and down for the 5th wave here. So what we want to see here, if we're going to be turning bullish, is that we'd want to see 5 waves to the upside here. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and then we're going to see some type of little ABC correction that can pull back 50-60% by the by, may not, but we need to look at that. And then if we've got 5 waves here, then we're going to get another 5 waves over here. Okay. As I mentioned, this 2800 here, which is a minor trading level in terms of the trading levels, and we can see that it was support here. So really this is a retest coming back and checking on supply here. So we need to see if that's going to fail here or if it's going to get ground and move higher as well. So it is one step at a time. So from the low here, I can see that we can count this up as wave 1 and 2 here, and all of this is a 3rd wave here, and then we'll look for a 4th wave here, then a 5th wave. So it will be something like this here, and then a move into here. So this little space here, this is the 50-60% retracement level from wave B here. So that will be our first resistance zone there, but it's also in line with our 5-wave structure from here. This one here, a bit further up, that's the 50-60% retracement level from this high here. Doesn't look right, does it? But it is just a visual trick. So once we've got this high in here, as I mentioned, we'll see some type of A wave, B wave, and C wave, probably finding support in group 2 here, logically anyway, but may be higher. And then we'll see if we start getting, if we get 5 waves here, then we're going to get a correction here, and then we're going to get another 5 waves over here. So even though that I've got this down here as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave for wave 4 here, there is a possibility that we could just get 3 waves to here. So it's possible that this whole wave 4 correction could expand. So it's possible that this could become the B wave over here, and wave 4 over here, and wave C over here, and wave A over here. And it may be that simple, maybe a flat correction. Because we've got 3 waves here, it'll be a flat correction for this wave 4, or it'll be the beginnings of a triangle pattern. So an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave, and then up from that point. So we're not out of the jungle yet with this wave 4. They can get complicated, and we just need to stay with the evidence, and we just need to go step by step. So the next step is that yeah, we just need to check to see if we get 5 waves here, and if that's the case, then we know we'll get 3 here, and we can trade this leg here. But it's also possible that, as I mentioned before, wave 4 is in place here, and we could be making new highs above the 3,000 there. I know the Nasdaq stocks are looking very bearish at this point, so we'll just have to, you know, I just got to stay with the evidence that I'm looking at here. So yeah, we'll just see. But I'll just put this over here just to remind us that things can get a little bit more complicated than what we're looking at here. Okay, I think that's about it. I can't really sort of add to that at this stage, but yeah, what we're looking for is this correction here, which will occur across this level here. This will move up into group 1 of 2800 here. This is a minor level, and these are sub levels 10, 20, and 30. So they will act as resistance eventually, and then they'll pull this back down here. So don't go chasing it up here. If you're long in this already, then look to lock in some profits from the 2800 to the 2810 there. So alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.